Sfouf is a very delicious and authentic Lebanese dessert dish. Let's make it together. 2 cups of warm milk. We'll add a tablespoon of turmeric and 1.5 or 2 cups of sugar, as you like. We'll add the sugar to the milk and stir all the ingredients together very well. After we stir them, put them aside. Now, about half of the recipe is ready. The other half requires 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of fine semolina, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a tablespoon of ground or seed anise, depending on what you like, and half a cup of vegetable oil or corn oil. Then mix them by hand or rub them together like this. Then we gradually add the milk, turmeric, and sugar mix and stir. Gradually add the mix and stir. Keep stirring until the lumps are completely dissolved and we reach this consistency. We will prepare a tray and grease it with a spoonful of tahini, just so it doesn't stick. But this tahini step is an old trick our mothers used to do, so the mixture of any dessert dish wouldn't stick to the bottom. Then we'll pour the whole mixture in the tray. Then bake it in the oven for 25 minutes on medium heat, meaning 180 degrees Celsius. Here's the result, but it's not finished yet. We'll coat it with a bit of sugar syrup. I already had some syrup and some ghee, so I added them. Then we're going to cut it into squares. Actually, I should have added peeled almonds or cashews before baking, but honestly, I forgot. That's why I decorated it with pistachios. This is one of the best recipes I've made. The smell of anise and baking in the house is amazing. And it reminds us of the good old days. Don't forget to check the ingredients below, and don't forget to follow us. And let us know if you make something similar in your country. Enjoy!